My name is Masi and I am a senior lecturer of operations management in Aston Business School in Birmingham. I've been in a placement of 6 weeks in Jaguar Land Rover in their new center in Coventry, so a very, very beautiful working environment. I'm a pure academic, so I shifted from master to PhD to assistant to associate professor. And with an industrial placement is different from a research project, because in a research project the company is for you a kind of guinea pig. You jump in, collect your data and then go back in your university. Well, in this case, with a placement I could sit in the company and experience their working culture, their organizational culture. So it's something that allowed me to touch with hands several of the things that I used to read in books about the working style in a company. I was really part of it and it was amazing.